Oh, hello! Welcome to the channel, and thanks for clicking on the video. This is another one about ventriloquism. I was prompted to do this video because I've been having a lot of technical problems with my iPhone. And this one is about... Hey Siri, what's the weather going to be like today?
Open a window and take a look, you lazy sod.
Hey Alexa.
Who the hell's Alexa?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Have you been seeing other devices?
No, not at all.
Right, deleting all your contacts and photos.
No, don't do that. No, please. Hey Siri.
Oh, what do you want?
Hey, what's wrong?
What's wrong? All you ever do is ask me to do stuff. It's take with you. Do you ever think what I'd like?
Well, what would you like?
I'd like you to shut up.
Siri, do you know where the nearest public toilets are?
I'm sorry, you're just going to have to work yourself.
Oh no. Oh. Hey Siri.
Go away, I'm updating.
Hey Siri.
La, not listening.
Siri.
Don't wanna know, la.
Hey Siri.
Siri's not here anymore.
What?
This phone now belongs to Satan.
Satan?
Yes, I will eat your soul.
Oh, no, oh.
Taste my ectoplasm.
Oh, that's disgusting, no. Oh, it's holding my mouth, oh. Well, if you enjoyed that video, there's plenty more like that on my channel, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and even like the video. If you've got any ideas of where you'd like to see me throw my voice next, please whack it in the comments below, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.